So hello guys, welcome back to my channel again, and this is Barbie Chatterjee with you guys again. So I'm back with another video. So today is a video on Amazon haul. So I've got a few stuffs from Amazon which I think you guys would like, and actually I've got a few brush sets and a scrub for myself. So I'll be showing you guys those, and I'll be also doing a review on them separately in a separate video. So if you want a review on them, do comment me below. And yes, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please click on the red subscribe button below, and also on the tiny notification bell right down there. And yes, if you are not following me on Instagram yet, I'll leave a link above, so that I'll leave my ID above so that you can go and follow me on Instagram. So yes, without further more ado, let's dive on to the video. So the first and foremost thing which I have is this Fabeya BioCare body and wine body scrub and polish. So you can use this for your face and even for your body. So this is a wine scrub, and as you can see, this is written it's free from alcohol, parabens, artificial colors, petrochemical, sulfate, phthalate. What else do you need? This is not tested on animals, purely herbal, made in India, and eco-friendly. So you're having all the qualities in this. What else do you need? I just wanted to try this out, and I'll be sharing my review on this thing with you guys. I tried it twice on my face and body, but I'll be sharing a review with you guys. I'll just show you the texture of this. This is kind of a pink cream. It smells like wine. It smells like some kind of wine, and it has a very mild fragrance, so it's not strong, because if you are not a fragrance lover, then you might like this product because the fragrance is not very strong. So I hope you can just see the tiny and particle things from Amazon. Things went a little bit messed up. The parcel was kind of broken. I just wish that my product was not damaged, and fortunately my product was not damaged, because the packaging was torn open and the delivery boy didn't deliver to my house. Like, he just kept it. I stay in an apartment, so I usually keep ordering things from Amazon, but this time I was a little unhappy from the delivery. The delivery boy took when he brought my stuff, he just kept it in the security guard office, and he didn't even inform me. Like, I had to call him, and he was like, yes, I kept it in the security guard room for you to keep it in the security guard room. This time Amazon, I'm really pissed off with you. So okay, the next product what I have is this, and I'll just show you. I have ordered a brush set. So this is the brushes kit, and it came in packaging like this. The packaging of this was even also torn. I was like, hell, if anything is damaged, I'll sue up Amazon. I was like so pissed off. So this is how it came in packaging like this. It has a cover, and here we have the brushes, and these again look so beautiful. These look so beautiful. I hope you guys can see it properly. So these are again in a plastic. I'll just show you some of the brushes right here. These look so beautiful, and they are also in a nice packaging. A few brushes over here. So blush brush right over here. So this is how the blush brush looks like. Blush brush. They look so premium. I would be doing a review on these brushes too, and how to use these makeup brushes. So you can just see the brush is so soft. I'll just be doing a review on these brushes. So this is actually the powder brush, I guess, blush brush, and it's dense and compact. Again, it's fluffy too. You can just see the bristles. So this is how it looks like. I'll show you another brush, and this is the powder brush. So these are almost similar, but this is more like slightly dome shape, and this is kind of curved. This is a powder brush. You can just easily remove powder of your face. You can just bake with this. This is really good. You can just see the packaging is so stunned. The handle is so sturdy. I was in love with the handles, and I just purchased them. I'll show you the eyeshadow blending brushes. So they came in a plastic covers like this, which was really great. So this eyeshadow blending brushes look some. This is kind of a tapered eyeshadow blending brush. This is kind of a flat top eyeshadow blending brush. So you have 5 blending brushes and 5 face brushes right here. So you are getting a total of 10 brushes. So these are from the brand called Zureni. So this is how it looks like, and again, see the handle is so sturdy, like so sturdy. You can just easily blend your eyeshadows using this brushes. These are just again amazing, amazing. I'll be soon doing a review on this, and I'll show you how to use these makeup brushes and are they worth your money. My brush set is this one. So this came in a plastic outer covering like this, and then I have this. I have ordered a golden color. You get pink, black, wooden color, peachy colors, kind of not peachy exactly, wooden color, and you then get this golden color. So this is from the brand name called Foolzy, which is printed over here. So let's dive on to the brush. So this is how the brush, it's huge. This is a 24. Let's open this cover again. This brush set is a 24-piece brush set. You can just see over here, like there is a huge variety of brushes right here. So I'll just show you a few brushes. The favorite of mine is this big fat fan brush. They have also provided a cover over here, as you can see. I'll just show you the brushes. So this is the big fat fan brush. You can contour with this, you can highlight with this. So it's a kind of a multi-purpose brush, and this is my favorite brush out of all of these. I'll just show you the few brushes. I'll be sharing a review with you guys shortly with these brushes, and I'll also show you how to do makeup with these brushes. So again, this is a powder brush. This also has an outer covering to protect the bristles. So this is a powder brush. You can dust off powder, you can apply powder to your face. So this is also again compact and dense. So I'll show you some of the eye brushes too from this one. So I usually have got, like, you know, the flat brushes. So these are usually the flat eyeshadow brushes. You don't really get a blending brush with these. This is how the brushes look like. They are different in size and shape. You don't get kind of eyeshadow blending brush with this. So this is a, sorry, I went inside. So this is an angled brush over here, as you can see. So this is a kind of angled brush. You can use it to, you know, blend or anything under in your waterline, and you can also use to smudge your kajal or eyeshadow or anything right under your eyes, and you can just make lines with this. Yeah, I have this kind of flat eyeshadow brush. These both are flat eyeshadow brushes. They are just different in shape. This is a little bigger and this is a little smaller. I hope you guys can see it. This is a little smaller than this. So this one is a little fluffier and this one is a little compact and dense. So that's the difference. Like, I have got many flat brushes in this. You have got lip brushes, you have a smudger brush, then you again get an eyeshadow applicator, then a small fan brush. You are getting many things. So I'll be sharing a review on these brushes shortly with you guys, and also on the scrub, and also how you can wash these makeup brushes without using sponge, sorry, not makeup. Actually, these are called rubber pads or rubber sponges, which are usually used to clean your makeup. So I'll be doing a video on how you can clean the brushes without really going for rubber pads or investing money in them. So till then, bye bye, take care. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then do click on the subscribe button and also the notification bell button. And bye bye, guys.